Have you heard about the credit score change that's affecting the housing market? The FHFA announced on Monday that they've approved two credit score models called the FICO 10T and the Vantage Score 4.0. So Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are government institutions that back basically every mortgage originated in the United States. And for the past 20-ish years, they've relied on scores created by FICO, Fair Isaac Corporation. The higher the FICO score, the better the loan in most cases. However, in 2017, the Senate proposed that the agencies adopt a new scoring system, a system that doesn't just consider whether or not borrowers have paid mortgages or credit cards. The new FICO 10T and the Vantage Score 4.0 are going to look at more of a broader range of history when it comes to evaluating credit. They'll take into account utility bills, phone bills, also rental bills. What's amazing about this is that the new scoring system opens up more borrowers, more potential buyers to the market. For example, 16% of Hispanic and African American borrowers would now have access to being able to obtain a mortgage, whereas in the old system, they wouldn't. And in 2015, a study came out to show that this new system would actually open up roughly another 72,000 potential homeowners to the market. I want to know your thoughts. Do you think this will have a significant impact to the housing market?